Design and material selection. The production of a hammer begins with design considerations and selecting the appropriate materials. A typical hammer consists of a head made from forged steel and a handle made from either wood, fiberglass, or a metal alloy. Forging the hammer head. The raw steel is heated to a high temperature until it is malleable. This red-hot steel is then placed into a die, which has the shape of the hammer head. With great pressure, a forging press shapes the steel into the hammer head. Trimming and machining. After forging, excess steel is trimmed away and the roughly formed hammerhead is subjected to machining processes. This involves using CNC machines to drill holes, refine the contours, and create the necessary features like the claw. Heat treatment. To further enhance the hammerhead's properties, it is subjected to heat treatment. This involves heating it to a specified temperature and then rapidly cooling it, a process known as quenching, hardening the surface and improving wear resistance. Surface finishing. The finished hammerhead is polished to remove any imperfections on the surface. It might also be coated to protect against rust and other forms of corrosion. The claw section might also be sharpened at this stage. Handle production. Depending on the material chosen, handles are crafted separately. Wooden handles are typically cut from hickory or ash due to their resilience and shock resistance. Fiberglass handles are molded, while metal alloy handles are forged and machined. Assembly. Once both parts are complete, the handle is fitted into the eye of the hammerhead. With wooden handles, wedges are used to secure the fit. For fiberglass or metal alloy handles, adhesives or mechanical fittings are used to ensure a sturdy connection. Quality control. Finally, each hammer undergoes a series of quality control checks to ensure it meets the required standards. This includes testing handle grip, checking the balance, and ensuring the head is securely affixed.